This Black Friday, I'm doing something really amazing for those of you that want to purchase Divi. So if you purchase Divi or Divi AI using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to Divi University. So let's talk briefly about what Divi University is. Pretty much this is your one-two place for getting everything to do with Divi. This includes courses, child themes, templates, done-for-you templates, and so on. So over here I have products. These are easy to install child themes which can get you up and running super fast. So as soon as you purchase Divi, you are going to get access to the Divi style guide, Blogger Pro for those of you that want to build WordPress blogs using Divi. We have Site Crafter. We also have Funnel Crafter if you want to build funnels and so on. So as you can see right away, as soon as you purchase Divi, you have access to this. Now, what's important here is you are also going to get access to the Divi courses. At the moment, we have the Divi Jumpstart course. This is a course that will get you up and running with Divi, saving you hours of trying to work out how Divi works. Now, what's important here is you are going to get a lifetime license to Divi University. So that means when I create courses on Divi 5 and Divi 6, you don't have to pay any extra. You are going to have full access to this. So in order for you to have access to Divi University, all you have to do is to purchase Divi or Divi AI using my link I've provided in the video description below. Now, here's one more thing. Let's say you've purchased Divi and Divi AI, but you also want to be part of this. Now, I have a massive discount. It's a 70% off. So all you have to do is to come over to this link, which I'll provide again in the video description below. Normally, this membership is going to cost you $599, but if you purchase it today, you're going to get this for $179. Now, this price is for limited time only, so it is going to go up to $599 as soon as this Black Friday and Cyber Monday is over. So all the links are in the video description below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box below. And also, once you've purchased Divi or Divi AI, drop me an email and I'll give you access to Divi University. Thank you guys, and speak to you soon.